Hello students, today we will start learning check 23 of chapter 8 multiplication and division of fractions. Now we will start the properties of the multiplication of fractional numbers. First property is multiply two or more than two fractions in any order, the product remains the same. Okay, now these two fractions are the examples of the first property. 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6. When we interchange these two fractions, we will get the same fraction. 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now next fraction is multiply 3 or more fractional numbers together. The change of group does not affect the product. उत्ते कोई मतलब कि इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. अगर असी 3 भी ले लिए fractions, we will take the 3 fractional numbers, no change in the answer or in the product. Yes, first we can take here the example 3 by 4 multiply 2 over 3 in bracket 1 by 2. Here no sign is given, it means here multiply. Okay. Now 3 2s are 6. First of all we can solve the bracket. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. Then dot. Dot means multiply. 1 by 2. 6 1s are 6. 12 2s are 24. When we divide it into these two fraction numbers, numerator and denominator, by 6, we will get 1 by 4. Next, we can interchange the fractions. 3 by 4, now change in interchange. 1 by 2 is inside in the bracket and 2 over 3 is in the outside of the bracket. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8 and outside of the bracket is 2 over 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 8 3s are 24. Now again divided by the 6 table in numerator and denominator, we will get again 1 by 4 fraction. Then again interchange. Because here 3 fractional numbers, we can change into 3 times. 2 over 3 inside and 1 by 2 in bracket, 2 and last 3 by 4 at outside of the bracket. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Outside bracket multiply by the 3 over 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Again divided by the 6 table, 1 by 4. Now we will take here the third property of a multiplication of fraction number is any fraction is multiplied by 1. We will get the fraction number itself. ਜਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ 1 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ, we will get the same number itself. Now fourth property, if any fraction is multiplied by 0, it gives the result 0. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ number ਨੂੰ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ fraction ਨੂੰ we will multiply by 0, we will get the 0 number. Okay. All are the properties of the multiplication of fractional numbers. After doing the properties, we will start the exercise learning check 23 of chapter 8. First question of this exercise is fill in the blanks. Now first part of this question is 2 multiply 4 1 by 3 is equal to, which one is number missing? Here 4 1 by 3 is missing and 2 is already given. So that's why we can take here 4 1 by 3 number. Second part of this fill in the blank is 5 1 by 2 multiply by 4. This is the blank. Blank की आएगी, 4 is already given and this is the blank. We can put here the missing number. Missing number is given here 5 1 by 2. So that's why all the parts of this question you can try yourself which number is missing and complete it the first question. Now second part of this question is of this exercise also. First part, second sum. Now here the 3 fractions are given in the same like as the property of the second number property ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ 3 fraction number we can use here. 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 in bracket 1 by 4 equal to, which one is missing number here? This is the blank 1 by 2 multiply, bracket is given 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Which one is missing number? 1 by 2. So that's why we can put here the 1 by 2 is in the blank. Next, third part is 3 1 by 2 multiply by 1. If any number, any fraction is multiplied by 1, we will get the same number or same fraction. 3 1 by 2 multiply 1 is equal to the same number 3 1 by 2. Same in the second part of the question. Fraction is 5 1 by 2 multiply 1, we will get the same fraction. Fourth part of the question is 3 9 by 3 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. If any fraction multiply 0, we will get the 0 number, or 0 multiply by with any fraction, we will get 0. After completing the 23 learning check, we will start the 24 learning check. Rule in this exercise is product of fraction is equal to product of numerators over product of denominators. Now first is fill in the blank. First part of the first question is 1 by 2, 3 over 4, 5 by 2. In these three fractions, we have the multiply sign. In these fractions, we have the multiply sign. Now multiply the three numerators. First, 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15. In denominator, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Similarly, in the second part, again we have the three fractions 3 by 4, 8 over 3, 2 over 4 with multiply sign. Again we can multiply numerators. 3 8s are 24, 24 2s are 48. 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Again this one is divided by the same table. 48 ones are 48, 48 ones are 48. Now answer will be 1. Question number 2 of learning check 24. Simplify. Simplify means to say, as you know, simple to simple बना के लिखना है fractions नो. First part 12 over 13 multiply 14 over 16 multiply 13 over 10. Now in this question we can cancel with the tables or direct multiply and product of the numerators over product of the denominators. After that we can cancel it. There are two methods to solve it. Now in this method I have cancelling the numbers with the help of tables. Now first 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13. 13 the table te dono cancel कर देते हैं. Okay. Next we can take here the 4 table. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Next 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. How much is left in this fraction? 3 multiply by 7 over 2 multiply by 10. Other are 1. If we can multiply 7 ones are 7. 7 3s are 21. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 10s are 20. 21 over 20. Now we can solve into the rough work. 21 is the numerator and 20 is the denominator. Now 21 divided by 20, because it is improper fraction, 20 ones are 20 or 1 is the remainder. We can write down into the mixed fraction quotient, remainder, divisor. Now question number 5th part of second question. 3 1 by 3 multiply 4 1 by 3 multiply 5 1 by 3. These fractions are in mixed form. Convert into improper form. Improper fraction. 3 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply 4 multiply by 3 plus 1, 5 multiply by 3 plus 1. Our denominator is same of the first fraction is 2 and second fraction is 3 and third fraction is 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 over 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 over 3 multiply, this is here 13, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 over 3. Now we will write down here equal to sign also, it is must write down. Now we can take here the 3 numerators. 3 numerators multiply 7 multiply by 13 multiply by 16 over 2 multiply in denominator, 3 multiply by 3. Now when we multiply 7 by 13, we will get 91. 91 multiply by 16, we will get 1456. Okay. Now 1456, नीचे किया गया denominator, product of denominator is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now we will divide it into two table because convert into the lowest term. First of all, we can convert into the lowest term divided by 2 in numerator and denominator also. When we divide it, we will get 728. नीचे किया जाएगा 9. Now 728 divided by 9 on the table. 8 9s are 72. Next is 8. Now 9 zeros are 0 and remainder is 8. What is the mixed number? That is 88 over 9. This is the answer. बेटा पीछे आंसर गलत है, इधर wrong आंसर आ रहा है. Now it should be clear. It is 80 is the quotient, 8 is the remainder and 9 is the divisor. Okay, thank you beta. All videos are very important to see it and understand it, and other part of the exercises or learning check 23 and 4 in the PDF form. Okay, thank you beta for the watching videos.